We divide 664 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 26. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 664 divided by 4 is 166. So this much for today and thanks for watching.